This is good. Oh, hi everyone.
Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time, and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I made chickpea soup for you. I'm using some leek, chickpeas or garbanzo beans. I'm using potatoes, some carrots, a little bit of garlic, so it's a nice vegetable and vegetarian soup that it's very tasty and light and has a lot of vitamins. So without talking any further, let me show you how I make this healthy, tasty and easy chickpea soup. Thank you so much. Have a great day. So for the chickpea soup, I'm gonna use 1 can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. I'm gonna use 1 leek. I'm gonna use some carrots. I have 2 small potatoes here. I'm gonna use some garlic as well. So I'm gonna start with the leek. So first, I'm gonna cut off the dark part. So cut both ends off, and I'm also gonna cut it in half. And I'll rinse it now. I'm gonna cut it in half again, and then chop it. So now I'll take a pot. I will put a little bit of olive oil to the bottom. I would say 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoons. And you can also use butter if you prefer that. I sometimes use butter for soups. And just put it in. And I'm gonna prepare the rest of the vegetables before I start cooking the soup. So I'm gonna use 2 carrots and 2 of those potatoes. I'm just gonna peel it. Peel the potatoes. I'm gonna use 2 garlic cloves, so I'm gonna peel them off now as well. So I'm gonna rinse the potatoes and the carrots, and since the carrots are not too thick, I'm just gonna slice them. And I'm gonna cut the potatoes. So just 2 like small cubes. Ideally if they're all kind of the same size. So now I have the carrot sliced and the potatoes cut to small pieces. And I'm first going to saute the leek. So put it on a medium to high heat and we will saute for approximately 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna add the carrots and the potatoes and saute for another minute or 2. And after 1 minute or 2 minutes, add water. So I'm adding 1.5 liters, and I'm gonna use my vegetable bouillon, and I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. Mix it in, and this is optional, but if you have some bay leaves at home, add a few pieces. And I'm also going to add some salt. So I will start with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So you can cover it now. Now the vegetables are cooking. I'm gonna drain and rinse 1 can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. So put them in a strainer and rinse under cold water. And I'm also going to cut the garlic now. So I'm cutting it in half and then slicing it. So add the garlic, add the chickpeas. At this point you can already taste it and see if it has enough salt. Now that the bouillon and the salt dissolved in the water, and now cook it for 25 minutes. And make sure the soup is sizzling nicely for the whole 25 minutes. I'm keeping it on medium-high temperature. So now the soup is ready, I'm gonna serve it, and as a last touch, I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. And also remember that the Parmesan cheese is salty also, so it's gonna add a little bit more saltiness. So the soup is nice and rich, some of the water dissolved. It's a little bit thicker than when we started. And as the very last step, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you try this soup, and see you next time.